Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to find the data type of a variable within the RStudio. How we can do that? First of all, you need to store any value within a variable. So how you can declare a variable? Just write any random word like A or letter like A, or if you want to write B you can. Okay, let us suppose that we have written B. Okay, then you need to put the less than sign and dash sign. It is considered as the assignment operator. In all the other languages, usually the equality sign is considered as the assignment operator, but here the assignment operator is less than and dash sign. So if you will write any integer like 10, or it is a number, so now what will happen? The R language will directly assume that B variable is of numerical data type, is of integer data type. Why it is so? Because it is assigned a number which is of numeric data. So we need to save it out, Control S, okay, first, and you can see that when we will run it, it is okay, it is written on the console. Okay, now we will use class command to find the data type of the variable B. So we will run it out. We can see that it has given us the numeric. It has shown us that the B variable is having the numeric or integer data type. Now if we have a variable like C, okay, and it is having like some data which is of string type, like we have written abacus. So now what will be its class, or what sort of data it has, or what data type this variable has. In order to find this thing, we have written class of C, and when we used to run it out, it says function. Okay, one more thing, that if we write double quotes, okay, so for character double quotes are needed. So it has shown us that it is of character data type. Now if we used to write D is equal to true, here D is equal to true, or not is equal to this assignment operator, that is less than or dash true, then what will be the type of this D variable, what data type it has. So you need to run the current line, and it says, okay, wait, first we need to run it, and then it returns that it is of logical data type. Okay, so in this way you can find the data type of the variables. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can find the data type of the variables within the RStudio. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.